Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Woolley. Thank you for joining me in week 4 of our new content. This week you're going to look at a topic or a concept called slope. And slope really measures how steep a line is. It's also called the gradient. So when we are looking at slope, we like to assign a number to it and we can calculate that. And so how we do that is divide our vertical distance by our horizontal distance. And you will see that as change in y to change in x. Another way to look at it is rise over run. So we do have a formula, and we use the letter m as a variable to represent the slope of a line. So there are different types of slope that you're going to look at in this lesson. A positive is increasing as you look at the line from left to right. A negative slope is decreasing as you look at the line from left to right. A horizontal line has a slope of 0, and a vertical line, the slope is undefined. You're also going to look at finding the slope from different representations this week. So from a table where you're looking for a constant rate of change, and from a graph where you are calculating the rise to run or the slope. You'll also look at it symbolically. This week, you're going to look at the slope formula when you're given 2 points, how you can calculate the slope. And you could also look at it in words, which we'll be looking at next week. And so as far as a synonym, slope is also called the constant rate of change. So slope and rate of change are synonyms for each other. Slope has a lot of real world examples. And so if you just think about your own experience, if you ski or you hike up or down a hill, if you've ever been on a roller coaster, driving along a flat road or biking is another example of slope. If you look out at the horizon, there's your 0 example of slope. And if you are on a slide, that's another great example of slope. So in this week's lesson, you are going to look at various activities. And I apologize. I want to get into present mood. There we go. And this is going to be assigned today, and it is due no later than June 3rd. And there are 6 short activities. Your goal is to explore the rate of change from a graph, an equation, and a table of values. And I am going to ask you to go through these activities in order, and the amount of time for each video and the activity information is given on the agenda. And then you would just go through and try the different activities. And as it has been in the past, when we're looking at these new content topics, we'll ask you to complete an edge elastic summary. If you are not ready to take the edge elastic summary, you are welcome to practice these ideas in IXL before you try the exit activity. Again, the goal is exposure and engagement. I am not looking for mastery. This is a really important concept which you will look at when you go back to school in the fall and in your future math classes. So thank you for watching this video and have a great week. I miss you all. Hang in there. Before we know it, we'll be out on summer break. So anyways, thank you for your continued effort. I hope to see you during our Zoom meeting on Thursday.